What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a business model where an online store owner does not keep inventory of the products they sell. Instead, when a store owner receives an order from a customer, they simply contact the supplier or manufacturer who then ships the products directly to the customer's door. In essence, the store owner acts as a middleman, facilitating the transaction between the customer and the supplier, without physically handling the products. Here's a step-by-step breakdown of how the dropshipping business model works. Step 1. Setting up an online store. The store owner creates an online store using platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Magento. They design the store, add products, and set prices. Step 2. Sourcing products. The store owner identifies suppliers or manufacturers who are willing to dropship their products. These suppliers agrees to offer products at competitive prices, reliable shipping, and good product quality. Step 3. Product selection. The store owner chooses the products they want to sell on their online store. They consider factors like market demand, profitability, and customer preferences. Step 4. Incorporating or importing product information. The store owner adds or incorporates the product information, including images, descriptions, and prices, from the supplier's website or through a product sourcing tool. This populates the store with the chosen products. Step 5. Marketing and attracting customers. The store owner implements marketing strategies to drive traffic to their online store. This can include search engine optimization (SEO), social media marketing, content marketing, paid advertising, influencer collaborations, and more. Step 6. Customer places an order. A customer visits the online store, browses the products, and places an order for a specific items they want to purchase. Step 7. Order fulfillment. Once an order is received, the store owner forwards the order details to the supplier, including the customer's shipping address and payment information. The store owner pays the wholesale price for the product from the revenue received. Step 8. Supplier ships the product. The supplier or manufacturer then ships the product directly to the customer. The store owner does not handle the physical inventory or shipping process. Step 9. Tracking and communication. The store owner communicates with the customer throughout the order fulfillment process, providing order tracking information and addressing any customer inquiries or concerns. Step 10. Customer receives the product. The supplier ships the products directly to the customer's address. The packaging and labeling may be done in the store owner's branding or in the supplier's branding, depending on the agreement. Customer support. The store owner handles customer support, addressing issues like returns, exchanges, and product inquiries. In some cases, they may need to coordinate with the supplier to resolve any customer concerns. Profit calculation. The store owner makes a profit by selling the products at a higher retail price than the wholesale price they pay to the supplier. The difference between the two prices covers their operating costs and generates profit. Examples of dropshipping. Let's consider a few examples to illustrate the dropshipping model. Example 1. Jane's Fashion Store. Jane sets up an online store selling women's clothing and accessories. She partners with several clothing manufacturers who offer dropshipping services. When a customer places an order, Jane contacts the manufacturer and provides the customer's details. The manufacturer then ships the products directly to the customer. Jane earns a profit by selling the products at a higher price than the wholesale price she pays to the manufacturer. Example 2, John's Electronics Store. John's online store specializes in consumer electronics. He sources products from various suppliers who offer dropshipping. When a customer places an order, John forwards the order details to the relevant supplier, who ships the products directly to the customer. John handles customer inquiries and provides support while earning a profit on each sale. These examples demonstrate how store owners leverage the dropshipping model to build and run their businesses without the need for inventory management and order fulfillment. The key advantage of dropshipping is the low startup costs and the flexibility it offers to entrepreneurs to explore different product categories and target markets without significant upfront investments. I hope the dropshipping model of business will be helpful to you. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add new content.